Hey guys, welcome back to Carter's Kitchen, and today on day 17 of Cookmas, we are making this broccoli casserole. First, we're going to start off with frozen broccoli, and I'm cooking that down so it can thaw and get some of that water out of the broccoli. So once that's done, you can turn your heat off and you can start seasoning your broccoli. You can use whatever seasoning you want to use, but I'm using garlic, onion, and Tony's. Oh, I also got this recipe from Cooking with Kiana here on YouTube. I think that's her name. But I want to try this because I've been craving some broccoli casserole for a long time. So I decided to try her recipe. So once you have it seasoned, I'm just throwing it in a pan with a half an onion diced and a little bit of minced garlic as well. And you just want to give that a good mix. Now you want to go in with 1 can of cream of chicken. And now I'm just taking like 2 big scoops of mayo, and this is just to keep it moist and creamy. You won't taste it, I promise. Now you just want to layer your cheeses. I'm using Colby Jack, shredded mozzarella, extra sharp cheddar, and a triple cheddar mix from Kraft. And if you want to, before you add your cheese, you can add a little egg in here, just as long as it's nice and cool. Otherwise, you'll have scrambled eggs, but I decided not to add eggs to mine. And I am also layering a layer of Ritz crackers in between the cheeses. And you can use a food processor. You can crush them up in a bag. I just used my hand because that was easier and faster. Now once you've added your final layer of cheese and breadcrumbs, you just want to bake that in the oven at 375 for a few minutes, and you have broccoli casserole. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.